Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to increase your MacBook screen timeout. First, go to, click on this little Apple icon, then select System Settings. This new window pops up. Here, scroll down to Lock Screen. And here you will start seeing the current or your current screen timeout durations. For example, there is you can set start screensaver when inactive, for example, for 2 minutes, 5 minutes. You can also turn the display off on battery when inactive. You can set it to, for example, 30 minutes. But here there is an energy usage may be higher when this Mac is inactive for longer periods of time before the display turns off. Same thing to do on power adapter. You can also turn display off on power adapter when inactive. For example, you can set it to 1 hour. And this is how, and of course, just close this window. And this is how to increase your MacBook screen timeout easily. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.